What video today, man? I'm just grinding right now, man. We had to order on some wheels, and we got to make these plain Jane four-wheeler wheels pop, man. So we taking them from machine in black to lime in black, and so it's gonna be short, but it's gonna be sweet. I think you're gonna like it. This is the wheel. You should see a small box somewhere in this video, or the picture of the wheel, and I might have like one spoke on the wheel already done. And so I made myself I like to make a stencil, man. So I laid some tape on it, drew it out, and then took that and applied it to some cardboard and made myself a stencil. So I'm gonna show y'all a picture of that right quick.
This is my stencil. See here, that's the tape that I laid on the bar of the wheel, and then I drew it out, and I laid it on a piece of cardboard and cut it out, and so then I just draw it over and over again on the vinyl and cut my pieces out. And once you get the stencil, you lay it on the vinyl and like draw it out, and this is what the pieces look like. The next thing, all you gotta do is clean the wheel and lay them on.
Much later.
there you have it. There you have it. Nice lines on the bars. Trim around your center cap. Make sure your edges are laid down good. Come out the bolt holes. Man, that's clean, man. Come on, stop jumping. Come on, man. Work with me here. Kicking it with KJ family, just overlook the jumping camera. I'm gonna have to upgrade. Had to give y'all one more shot of the set together. I know you just see 3 wheels, but one wheel is already done and returned to the customer.
Thank y'all for tuning in with me on the video, man. I'm about to get on out of here, man. I gotta make a decal to go with this order. I'm not gonna do that because I've already done that video before. So hey, I'm gonna finish up this order, man, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. It's KJ signing out. Peace.
3 days later.